So hello and welcome back to War Thunder. My name is Ross, and last time we had the matches were because there's nothing you can do against Japanese aircraft. Yeah, it's over. Yeah, they weren't the greatest. But I'm in high spirits. I have good faith. We're very close to the P-38 Lightning. I feel that we can probably do a lot today. Um, let's just skip the chitter chatter and get straight into the first match. So, we're now in the first match. We did get up tiered. We do got F-84, so yeah, that is an up tier to the jet era, and there is, of course, a bloody Me-262 down there. Me-262 with Panzergranate 39. Shit, okay. Business Goose, very interesting name. We're up against a decent bunch of nations that can pose a considerable amount of trouble. Okay, that's kind of chat spamming, fuck's sake. Unless is the FAF gonna win? Oh shit! Mr. Schnellbomber over here. I mean, he's quite alone. Oh, that's incorrect. The Hornet. The Hornet's gonna go for him. But I can still fly over and try to help. I mean, the Hornet gets 420 mils. I highly doubt that he needs my help. Unless the Ju-288 is, well, an ace. Oh god, the HE-162. Oh god. And another hit. Fuck's sake. Yeah, the jets are starting to show up. The slower ones. Now there's a Ta-152, the guy that completely murdered me last episode. What for you? What for you? Oh, the French one. For you 7. Let's go with the Ta. Power. Even though we don't need it. Oh yes, a nice lovely fire. And aircraft destroyed. Beautiful. Where's the SU-9? Oh my god, the F-2G bombed the SU-9. Holy shit. Okay. Damn, bro. Be careful of where the hell I fly and where I go. As long as this HE-162 doesn't go in a head-on, I should probably be able to defeat him. He is considerably faster, I can tell that he is. Yeah, it's an ice cube's chance in hell of me catching him. Now, even if this HE-162 decides to chase me, he doesn't. And the SK-60 just deletes the HE-162. Good, good. The, what's the designation of the 162 again? The Volksjäger, that's it. Nah. I may have better acceleration, but he has a better top speed. I'm trying to get closer to this AI. Oh my god, my aim today. Oh my god, holy shit. You know what? I really don't like the rudder of the P-51s. It feels very sluggish. So, sorry about having to, well, edit the end of that match out. I had a call, and I didn't feel like just having muted footage in the video, so I decided to just completely cut it out. Um, but we can still look over the rewards that we were able to reap from the enemies. I mean, it's a 20,000 SL. I mean, that's pretty decent. Two aircraft shot down. Two? Oh yeah, the ton, the and and the the AI. Right. Okay. Cheers. 3.7K research, and I mean, as you can see, we unlocked a new aircraft. We unlocked the Lightning. Now, I am not a person who particularly enjoys twin engine heavy fighters like this thing, the Me-410, the um, Bf-110, or the like. But I think that we can still give this thing a shot. What do you carry? Okay, so yeah, okay, 120 mil and then 450 cals. Okay, I'll just read up on this thing a little bit real quick, and I'll try to make best of what the aircraft can bring. Okay, so I kind of read up on it a little bit now. It seems that, well, I should play it relatively cautiously with, well, boom and zoom tactics being my best friend for obvious reasons. I mean, look at the size of this thing, it's huge. Um, I mean, I'm feeling quite confident, and I mean, I'm in good spirits. Yeah, let's give her a shot. So, we're now in the first match with the P-38. Did we get down there? F4, but 4-3. Oh god. I think that is a down tier, I believe, because the Yak-9K, I mean, VF-109 is 4-0. Yeah, I think it's a slight down tier slash same tier. Oh, he's coming. Yep. Oh my god, he is coming right for me. I didn't think you noticed me, god damn it. Go away. Do I have any allies? Not really. Okay, we're gonna go for a Hail Mary. Combat flaps. We do, but I didn't take the speeds I wish I was allowed to use. Because of course I didn't. No, no, bad. I don't want to do that. Ah, too late. Mr. Yak, please no! Oh, God. This is very bad now that I have the entire enemy team on me. Oh my god. Nah, go away. I mean, this motherfucker gets 2,000 Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, shit. So, we're now in the second match of the P-38. That last one, yeah, that was really poorly played by me and just the team overall. Like, the team just crumbled. Oh, sweet Jesus, that's a lot of Spitfires. Oh, boy. Is there anyone else as high up as me? No. Neither friend or foe. Jesus Christ. Okay. So, one-man army, I guess, question mark? That fucking wolf is probably the biggest fear right now. I guess we can try to go for him. Because it seemed that he just finished climbing, meaning that his energy probably isn't the greatest. Does he see me? If he does, he's not taking any action to avoid me. Ooh. Yes! Oh, perfect kill! That was beautiful. Loved that. I feel bad, but at the same time, 109 players are very... Well, no. No. Not the players, but the aircraft. Fighting against 109s is super annoying. I'd rather not. Oh, yeah, okay, it's me plus a Corsair and a J26, so he could go for any of us. Because I'm a twin engine, I do catch up to him. Actually, am I catching up to him? Are we going the exact... Nope, he is slightly faster. He's going like 435. Nah. Yeah, because stock aircraft go brr. Ah, fuck it then. I'll have to abandon it. I'll leave him be. Damn it. Put thrust to 0. And, let's see. Well, no, yeah, let's increase to 100%. Let's not use war emergency power. I need to be highly careful. Oh my god, this Spitfire. Ow! No! No! Come on! Team, are you actually serious? Oh my god. Well then, that just happened. I can hear the wings not feeling too well. Ah, shit. Ooh, oh! A wyvern. Okay. A wyvern is very scary. He gets 420 mils. He outperforms me. And of course he's going for me. Oh, dear god. To be fair, anything can outperform me. Okay, cool. We maneuvered. Now I just want to panic dive away from here. Another issue with the Wyvern is he gets a stupid amount of ammunition. Not as much as a bullfighter, but still a lot. I seriously do not think that I can outrun him. I think I'm at my wit's end here. I am, yeah. Every maneuver I make, this guy... yeah. He just gets closer and closer. That... Oh, right. That J26 needs to save me. Some of the combat flaps deployed, I don't think I do. Oh, okay. You know what? That works for me. Jesus Christ. Wyverns are scary. The, is it called the canopy for the engine is really not feeling well. Thankfully, that doesn't do anything. What is this Focke-Wulf? Like, what kind of Focke-Wulf is this? Is it one of the D variants? I mean, if it is... Focke-Wulfs are not turn fighters. But I believe that this guy can still outperform me. It is a D variant, of course it is. And I got fucked. There was really nothing I could do there. Like, there were no teammates around. All we had was a bomber and a Corsair on the airfield. Yeah. So, we're now in the final match of the day. We have a Wyvern off to our left, who... Yeah, now that he's diving, we're gonna go for him. See what we can do against him. If we can even catch him, that is. Ay, ay, ay. He'll probably die. Or not. Are you serious? None of those hit? How fast do I turn? Quite fast. Let's just try to climb away. Was someone shooting at me? Yeah, Spitfire, wasn't it? I don't want to let that wyvern go off unpunished. Spitfire is looking more alluring. Ah, nice. Good. Alright. Perfect. Beautiful shot. We're just gonna keep on hightailing it out of here, because... Yeah, something tells me that fucker wolf does not enjoy the fact that I am currently breathing. And I'm now dead. I'm dead. I cannot outperform a 109, and the team is too busy. Yeah, shit. Wasn't a whole lot I could do there. I could have tried to play more cautiously and stay higher, but I'm sorry. We got one guy though, and we did get an assist, so that was a decent match. And that does it for this episode. Stuff went, well, mixed. I did get shot down every single match in the P38, which is less than ideal. But I did also do relatively decently every match. I got at least one kill in 2 out of the 3 matches I played, which is quite good. 65k left of the Twin Mustang, but after that we're off to jets, which is quite good. We're almost there. We're almost in the jet era. And it's going to be especially fun with the F-84 because this thing is quite broken because it gets an air spawn, which means that, well, you spawn in the air and you spawn at high speed. And especially for those early jets, that is gonna make all the difference. But that does it for this episode. If you enjoy the kind of content that I make, do be sure to leave a like or a comment to let me know what you want to see, or just give me whatever feedback you have. If you really want to go that extra mile, do be sure to subscribe so you never miss when I upload. And you're overall helping me out if you do. But until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.